Good evening, everyone. This is Creedmoor with the Bullish Bears. This evening, we're going to have a small discussion on what both traders in our community and in the market at large feel are some of the key things you can do to make trading much easier. Let's get started. The quickest way to enter is to find your exit. Have an exit mentality over an entry. Once you look at the trade and see your setup, if you do not have the answer for your exit before you click the buy and sell, then you've missed your chance. From one of our moderators here at the Bullish Bears, whistle that. Let's break that down. Now, where you want to exit your know where you want to exit your trade before you ever decide to enter into it. If you already know where you want to get out, then you can start your trade at a solid entry point. Buying at support and selling at resistance is a strong way to practice building this skill. Number 2, we as humans are creatures of influence, but you have to balance this. Surrounding yourself with a good group of well-educated, like-minded traders, whether that be mentors or from reading lots of books, allows you to build your style and bounce ideas off of knowledgeable people. Yet following a guru or following everything you see posted on stock tweets can lead you down a dangerous path. Gather quality information, but think and trade as an independent. Number 3, plan your trade out of the trade, not while you're in the trade. Every time I tried to wing it, I get messed up. David Hildy, another moderator of the Bullish Bears community. Let's break down what he's saying. Coming into a trade blindly can turn against you almost every time. But trying to form a trade after you've already entered into a ticker is even worse. Avoiding this is crucial to staying in the market for years to come. There's no shame in sitting on your hands instead of entering a bad trade. Plan your trades ahead of time. Don't just hop in. Number 4, understand how to trade the pattern you're looking for, then trade it with confidence. Picking a series of patterns to master is key for developing A+ setups. My personal favorite to trade are cup and handle and the 3 inside up. I've made these my A+ patterns to look for and can trade them with no emotion and almost no thought. It's just a pattern I know very well and what is needed to make it a solid trade. Trading it with confidence, though, is the second part. You must say to yourself, or my apologies, you may say to yourself, I know this pattern, I know what it looks like, and how it moves. But if you never take action on it, then you have wasted a perfect opportunity to prove to yourself that you know what you're looking for and that you have the skill to act on your ideas. Number 5, the fastest way to lose your whole trading account is to try and double it. Steve Burns. Let's break down what he's saying. Trading is not an overnight game. You'll have to learn to manage greed and timidness all in one. If you get greedy in a trade, you escalate your risk and ultimately can end up losing your account completely. You start to assume that the trade will tick back up, even though it has already fallen below where you entered, whereas you might have been up 15% beforehand. As a strong trader, you should understand that you need to make profit, but that it is okay to leave some meat on the bone. It's better to have made some profit than none at all. Well, I hope this has been helpful. I'll leave you with these final words. A trader is only worth what they are willing to invest, both in their accounts and in themselves. Creedmoor. Good night, and remember, your trades are in the history. See you tomorrow.